Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Today, we will be talking about none other than Cardano, ADA. So this is by far one of my favorite layer one blockchains, and we have a little bit of drama to throw into the mix. So if you guys get something out of this, smash the like button. Also, subscribe and comment down below whatever questions you have regarding this channel. Okay, so right now I'm going to actually pop up my phone. So we're gonna do this in one shot. I want to try something different, let loose a little bit, have some coffee and chill. So let's take a look at the market. And right now we are at a $1.94 trillion market cap. Just went up a bit. And Bitcoin is at 54,000. So overall, things have been down for the past 3 days. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about talking about Cardano and the overall market and where we're at, right? So the reason I'm putting up Bitcoin is because that's what's going to move the market. Typically, that's what happens. So on the year, we're up 110%. Bitcoin was as low as 26,000 not that long ago. So we're in this sideways trend, then boom, we're going to go nuts. So guys, nothing in this video is financial advice. Invest at your own risk. But I really do believe that I always say we're bottoming. But it's true. We're definitely consolidating at a pretty good spot. Crypto has never been bigger and better than it is today. So today we are September 7th of 2024. And guys, I'm using CoinMarketCap on my phone. Let me tell you something. It was so difficult 3 to 4 years ago, which isn't that long ago in the history of time. It was that difficult to pick up Bitcoin, to get, these alts. I remember buying Dogecoin. It wasn't even an English website. Okay. So ultimately we're getting at Cardano. It's at 32 cents. It's down 40% on the year. All time it's doing well, but Cardano has a lot of work to do. And I think it will do well. I've talked about it in the past. We have never had smart contracts before in a bull run. We've never had the chain hard fork, which was just implemented not that long ago. We now have Meld. We have other layer one blockchains that are interoperable with Bitcoin, with Cardano. So guys, comment down below, which projects are you excited about? We now have a DEX aggregator in DEX Hunter. We have Sync AI that's coming. It's a new project. We have a lot of projects that are being built. We have games, a lot of which I talk about. And there's TOKEO new wallets. So maybe that's something I can share with you as well. I do have a small wallet here that I can share. So guys, head over to the channel. I've got a bunch of Meld videos as well. But I do want to show you this wallet in particular. So let me just put in my code. So this wallet, if you guys want, use my referral link. None of you have used my referral link. And the reason being, I'm being a little selfish, but I want to get the code, So I do want you guys to use this link. So I have a referral link. Check it out in the link tree. And this is, in my opinion, one of the coolest Cardano wallets. Here's an example, guys. This is going to be a sick wallet that you can use. It's a hot wallet. Obviously, you want to use a Tangent, you want to use a Trezor Ledger, use cold storage. I don't care which one you get, but use it. But here I got a meme token. I got Snack. There's Meld on here. So if we look here, guys, let's unlock this. Let's get the Moose back up on the leaderboard. I fall into 17th place. We can't have that. If I am not at least top 10, I'm unplugging this camera. We're done. We're done. I'm out. So guys, please use this referral link and download the wallet. It's sweet. Should almost incentivize you guys somehow. Maybe I'll send you something. All you have to do is download the wallet and use it. So anyways, download the wallet. If you actually use the referral link, put in your public address. Maybe we can work something out. Okay, so we have that. Yeah, all in all though, let me share something with you guys. So let's hit on Cardano. Okay. And by the way, Crypto Moose's videos show up here. They should. I'm supposed to be in here. Well, I guess now Fareed's taken over. I haven't posted. There we go, Raw Dog. So I've done different videos. If you guys want, my videos are showing in the app. So they reached out to me. But guys, look at this. So if you want to make swaps, all you got to do, actually, I don't even remember how to do swaps. We'll figure it out because I have to. I'm not editing this video. There's no way. So here, if I go to ADA, should be able to do ADA, right? Or maybe I'll just click on my actual ADA. I'll click on ADA and swap. How do we swap? I thought it would be this swap button. Maybe SNEC. I'll hit on SNEC. Swap. There we go. ADA for SNEC. They could make this a little bit better. Let's say I want to take 25%, get some SNEC. I'll get 10,000. Look at this, guys. Watch. Let's do $12, whatever. Here, confirm swap. Confirm swap. Look at that. I think this is cool. This app is great, man. So there you go. So that used Dex Hunter, I believe, which is a Dex aggregator. It's aggregating the top decentralized exchanges, getting you the best price. That is what we can do now. And that's nothing. That's nothing. It's basically what the Moose does on a daily basis. Like, guys, seriously, like, Cardano has a lot of momentum behind it. I've talked about this in other videos. I think we're going to go to new all-time highs this bull run. I don't know when it's going to happen exactly, but we're definitely getting there. Definitely getting there. So let's talk about some final news here. So there has been some drama, let's call it. I don't think I've gotten into any of it, but basically, Hoskinson rejects the burning of ADA currencies. So here I'm going to switch the screen so it does work. And what's going on here is that there's a 1.5 billion ADA token that people want to burn. And the reason they want to burn it is because of the following. I even took a list. So ultimately, if you burn 105 billion tokens, it will add scarcity because there's less supply. On top of that, you have deflationary pressures. I also have here boosting investors' confidence. Regular burns or significant burn events signal the project's commitment to value, blah, blah, blah. So the reason they don't want to do this is because, you can keep those tokens and it allows for another area of scarcity or for growth. So guys, comment down below. Should we burn the tokens or not? Short term, I think it's good. Long term, I don't know. So this is what Charles said, not me. Apparently he said this. You are literally stealing from every staking pool operator, SPO, and every ADA holder if you burn these funds. So again, I'll read it because I read that like garbage. You are literally stealing from every staking pool operator, SPO, and every ADA holder if you burn these funds, he said. So he emphasizes that the tokens are not pre-minted assets, but come from block production and economic activities on the network. In other words, their destruction would harm Cardano's internal economy. So the idea is that you have these funds, right? You can also use them. You could build, I guess there's this as well. We could fund new catalyst projects, injecting liquidity into DeFi, accelerating development. Who said that? I'm not sure who said that. But you guys get the idea. The way I see it is that we want to think long term, especially with the layer one, right? You want to make sure there's funds there so we can support future projects, future growth. It sounds nice to have a quick return. Like, guys, I'm in Raw Dog right now, a meme token. Check out that video, invest at your own risk. It's fun. But even with that project, a lot of us that are in there, we're thinking long term. So I think there's power in slow returns. There was a quote that I was thinking about the other day. It was, if you get there fast, it never lasts. So that's what I was thinking about. If you get there fast, it won't last. And it's true for most things. Cardano's been slow, but it's been lasting. It's not Terra Luna. So, guys, check out the link tree. We have links for you. We're going to have to update this. Raw Dog is now at 2 mil in market cap. With that being said, the moose is loose, guys. Pick up a tantrum, protect your assets, including ADA. See you in the next one.